Today I'm going to talk about determination. Do you know what does it mean? I hope after you listening to my speech, you can guess. Determination is when you really want to achieve something and you keep trying no matter how hard it gets. When you really want to achieve something, maybe learning how to swim, or maybe you're going to learn how to ride a bike, or finishing a tough puzzle, maybe 1,000 pieces of puzzle. Okay? During this experience, it is a good time for you to practice determination. Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison is a famous inventor. Okay? He showed determination. Thomas faced so many difficulties while he trying to create the light bulb. Okay? I have never failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that the one word. His hard work and perseverance taught us that we have to keep trying, never give up, okay? Keep trying, then you will get there. Here is a story, a fable story. Do you know the story? Have you heard or read the story? Now, in this fable, a quick hare was overconfident. He took a nap during the race. Meanwhile, the slow but steady tortoise kept moving forward. So do you remember who won the race? The tortoise, yes. Thanks for his determination.
Hello everyone, I'm 2A. My name is Jason Chan.
Hello everyone, I am from 2. My name is Jaden.
Hello everyone, my name is Guya. I'm from 2B.
What is your first goal?
I want to get 100 marks in English dictation.
So what will you do to achieve it?
During this week, I will review the dictation area.
You do revision every day?
Yes.
Oh, I see. Okay, what is your second goal?
I want to be a good English ambassador. I will help my classmates to do English homework if they need it. I want to be a homemade super kid.
Wow, it is a great goal. Homemade super kid. Do you want to be a homemade super kid? Yes. Okay, how do you achieve it?
I will spend 2 hours every week for doing more reading, spelling, and math exercise.
Nothing is impossible if you keep trying, isn't it? Okay, thank you, Jason. Okay, next. Okay, now what is your first goal, Jason?
I want to come to school on time.
Come to school on time. Okay, how can you achieve it?
I will sleep at 9:30 p.m. every night so that I can wake up early every day. I want to have better grades in my exam.
Okay.
I will study more and read more books. I am going to spend 20 minutes every day for reading Chinese and English books.
I will focus to finish my homework quickly and homework lesson. I want to learn how to swim. I'll join the swimming class once a week.
What is your third goal?
I want to improve my piano. I will practice 10 minutes piano every day.
Wow, 10 minutes piano every day. Okay, keep going, keep trying. Thank you for your sharing.